Today we're taking a look at these suitcase party favors. These are really, really cool. They are clear. You're gonna get 12 of these. They come wrapped individually just like this in different colors as well. Let's take a closer look. So these are 6.7 by 3.2 by 2. And you get all sorts of different colors on here. And they do come wrapped individually, which I think is really nice. They do open up, so you just kind of open it just like that. And you got a good bit of space in there to put whatever you want. You could put jewelry in here. I could even see you putting like candy in here. Pretty much anything travel related. I mean, this could be great for weddings, bachelorette parties, cruise trips, anything that kind of symbolizes like traveling. You see here, you kind of wheel this around a little bit right over here. The wheels do go around just like that. I don't know. I've never really seen anything like this. I think it's pretty cool. I like the fact that it comes individually wrapped. You get all different colors as well. This would be great for a kid's birthday as well. If you're travel themed or just a cool little thing. I mean, I think it's cool that that goes up and down. That you can kind of wheel it around a little bit. Just overall, really, really nice. Also like the fact that this is clear, so it allows you to see what is inside of here. I can either see these like being able to be hung somewhere. You wanted to put them as like a party favor or something like that. So if you are looking for a great party favor or something for a bachelorette party, suitcase style, come individually wrapped, could easily fill these up. Definitely check these out, and a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.